See the
Okay,
it's 98%.
here we are, MMTs. We've got a huge breakout. This is the one that was done on the opening bell. Okay. And basically, Amazon had gapped here, sold off, was a quick short, and then an immediate long. And it's been strong all day. Nothing that says I would ever come out of it yet until I can see a big change over here. And I've made nothing but a series of higher highs in my intraday market maker ratio. That's what I trade. I trade this number here. This is a market maker platform. This is not a public platform. The market makers on the floor have got more people coming out of the short side as they're buying to cover. So here, when they couldn't put a bear raid, didn't work, the buy bar came in, the short scrambled out. That fueled the bigger bars. This is a panic buy to cover on the short side now, which is good because it fuels your long position. And a market maker has a certain kind of behavior, as you MMTs are SMF market makers, and you make markets on names. And this one was a great one again. We're doing the follow-up from video 1 live entry on the morning trade on the opening bell. And we're coming back almost 1 hour and 30 minutes into the market. We're about 12 minutes shy of a complete hourly price action movement and a 30-minute move. So basically, we continue to break higher. The short sellers, every little 3 teeny pullback, they buy to cover, and then people are going to change or chase the move. We've made series of highs. If I stay elevated here toward that 148, then that means that move is still very strong. You must contract, and you must go north of 95 here in your market maker platform, and you won't see that again. That's how you would build the weakness. But just remember that if you do, it's 20 cents a teeny. If you get a 3 teeny pullback, that's 60 pennies in your market maker platform. And then it's been popping through the whole cycle. Sometime later in the day, we'll come back as we're getting the real reversal instead of these head fakes, because they're not the kind of reversal you're looking for. You're looking for bars like this, and you're looking for a big fatter red bar. You don't want just a red bar to the half bar. You want a big red bar that comes down, then it kind of pops up. When it pops up, you need another red bar, and then you would look at getting short. It takes time to build an intraday high. And this is the first intraday swing high. And the market makers walked the shorts out, and they got the public to chase them. And that provided the MMTs a very debitable profit structure trade by understanding how to use their market maker platform, and more importantly is the market makers' behavior on the floor of the exchanges and how they will trade and try to run the public away from the name by selling down, and then get the public to chase the name and get the short sellers out. That's how these intraday movements and long spreads and short debit spreads. Short is going down, you make money. Long is going up, we all know. But that's the wonderful thing about being here.